Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shaha and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today this is our part 22 video of Azure Data Factory real-time series scenario. Uh, so in this video what we are going to see that how to download a zip file from a API. Okay, so hitting a API we can get two types of response. One is in JSON format response. String response means the request body in response body, and one is a file, single file. Hitting a URL you can download a file. So if the file is in zip format, how to place it to our sync path using after unzipping the zip file, that we will see in this scenario. So this is a very much useful scenario in our industry. Lots of uh, client used to give us the source file, source data as a zip file format. Okay, so we have to unzip it and we have to then process it. So how to do that, that we will see. Okay, so before going ahead, I want to introduce our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So this is our channel. If you still have not subscribed, I would request you guys please subscribe, because you guys are watching our videos daily basis but not subscribing. It's really hurting us. Okay, so if you guys subscribe, if you guys comment on this video, uh, either it's a good thing, or if we need to improve the content. Every kind of feedback comment you can give. Okay, so that it also give us the boost to do this kind of content, okay, for you guys, because this is a non-profit initiative, as you guys know. Please do comment, share with your friends, and stay with us. Okay, so that we can make a bigger community. Okay, so let's go ahead. So what I did, I have mm, already take a zip file. Okay, already taken a zip file and uploaded it in my GitHub. Okay, from GitHub URL. Yeah, if I will use this URL, it will directly ask me to download a file. Okay, so just a minute, I'm just showing you. Okay, so if I will paste it, it will directly ask me to download the file. So the same file. Okay, so this is the file. Under this zip file we have two files. Okay, data files. So using this we will go ahead. Okay, so using this get call, this is called get call. Okay, so as we are taking something, so using this get call we will hit the hit this API. Okay, and we will get the zip file. After that we will unzip it. So I'll show the whole process. Okay, so I'll take new pipeline, and we'll take the copy activity. So in the copy activity, in source path we need to create the link service. So mm, whenever we will get the response as a string, or as a request, as a response body, we will get the data in JSON format. That time we used to use the REST, as we have seen our the last video, the 21st video. Last video already I have seen how to get the string JSON format data. So now we are getting in this uh, uh, project, we are getting the file, we are getting the data in a zip file format. So for that we will use the HTTP service. Okay, we'll use the binary, and then in new we'll paste that URL, the same URL we used here. Okay, so HTTP server 1, let it go with this. Authentication will be anonymous. Okay, so for now I am not giving, I have not given any kind of authentication on that. So if test connection, I will do test connection. It is giving me successful. Okay, it's done. Okay, so next it is okay. Okay, so request method is get and source data in data sets, it's fine, all it is fine. Okay, so mm, but once again I will open this data set to do some kind of changes. So here we need to mention the compression type also, as it is a .zip file. You can see as it is a .zip file. Okay, so if you see, it is a .zip. Okay, so .zip file, and compression level it would be fastest. Okay, I will select the fastest. So fastest and optimal means whenever uh, it will unzip your content, so that time uh, the the file size it would be uh, it would be optimal as much as possible by the data factory. Okay, so it will take the it will take some time to process the data, but if you will select the fastest, so it will not see the file size. Whatever file size it is, it will process, but it will process the things more faster. Okay, so I'll, for now I don't have any issue with the file size, I'll take the fastest one. Okay, it's done from my side. Now we need to configure the sync path. So for configuring the sync path, I'll take the same sync path. Here we don't have any data. Okay, so gen2 I have selected. Here I will select the binary, and then here I will select the sync. Okay, uh, zip sync. Okay, zip zip sync. Okay, then I'll take the path demo. Under demo there is sync. Here this is the path. Okay, here we don't need to do anything. Okay, now once again what I will do, so here we don't need to select anything. Once again we'll open the dataset to select the advanced options. Okay, so here a sync path is given, but here compression type will not select anything. Okay, so that uh, the data factory can understand whenever it is copying the data, it is taking the compression type file as a .zip format, and and it will compression level would be fastest. But whenever it is syncing the file in the sync location, there is no compression, so it will unzip the file. Okay, whatever data under this zip file, it will just put in the sync path. So so the file will be unzipped, and it will just give the uh, content. Okay, so during the source it will be you have to configure this zip configuration, as it is taking the zip file, and during the sync you don't need to add any compression, so that it will just uncompressed. Okay, uh, so it's done. mm, Here there is option preserve zip file name as folder. So if you want to put it in a folder with a name, so you can mark it, or otherwise you can remove it. So first I will show you using this. After that I will remove that, and once again I will show you what would be the result. Okay, let's run it. Successfully run. Okay, so let's go to the sync path. We are here, refresh. Yeah, it is coming as a folder. Okay, so both the files are there. Unzipping it. After unzipping it, it is putting in a folder. So folder name, as it is, I am taking from the from the repository. So based on that, the API level, it gave the it gave the random folder name. Okay, but whenever it is something other server, so it will give you the correct folder name. Okay, so that is not an issue. So basically it is creating a folder, after that it is putting the files. Okay, but whenever, so suppose in sync we have just one file. Okay, but whenever I'm just deleting it for now. Whenever you require the thing without a file, just without a folder, just you want to unzip and you want to send the files to the sync path, so you just need to remove this tick. Okay, and you just need to try with debug. Let's see. So then it's done successfully. Now if I'll refresh, I'm getting the files without any folder. Okay, so after going to the sync directly I can get the files. So this is the way how to get the zip file from your server, and after that unzipping it, and after that syncing the in the sync path. Okay, I hope you guys have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly reach out to me, uh, or you can comment on the video comment section. You can reach out to me via topmate also, book the sessions. All the sessions are free for you guys. There is no need to pay you guys anything. Okay, uh, any kind of issues with the interview questions, or if you want to you can also mail us the interview questions to come with the solution and post it in our channel. You can also do that. You can also send the questions, and if you have not subscribed our channel, I would recommend you guys, please do subscribe and help us to make the channel bigger, make the community bigger, and also to reach out to the every people who needs this the contents to crack their interview. Okay, so not only the interview question, we have PySpark Databricks series also, we have real-time series also, we have ADF also, ADF series, as you can see. We have ADF series, we have SQL series. You can go through this series, and you will get to understand in industry what, in which level we are doing the work, and what kind of work client used to give us. Okay, so and what kind of questions you will get in your interview. This will help you guys really. uh, I would recommend you guys, please go through each and every video, and share your thoughts on the comment. Okay, so thank you for watching our video for now.